when it's raining and you're like, how bad's it gonna be? You find an overpass and get buttoned up.
Hey. Yeah. I feel fancy. I feel like I'm wearing stuff I can't.
Put these on, I was like, where's my trike at?
Yeah, it's funny, that's crazy. Probably nice though. Not drooping at all.
No, snug them up. You're gonna see the Michelin man here in a minute. His jacket's too big on me. And it sucks some air, man. It's like, whew.
I've heard all about it, so if it's any different, I'm gonna be upset.
All right. Man, you guys look professional.
Yeah, we kind of match and everything.
Love it.
Man, I do feel fancy with this rain gear on. I'm gonna start wearing it.
Can you grab my shirt, please?
It'd be nice if we had some room by our bike.
Right?
The best thing about this is that we both can drink the way we want to drink.
Yeah.
Because I drink out of a straw and he doesn't.
It's
I love
perfect.
the straw. I do too.
I like pouring, but when you're riding and you put that modular up,
you shoot.
sometimes it's a little too cold. Listen.
If I get her a modular, I'm gonna have to get a couple of them. That's what I just heard.
What's funny, I was thinking
Because
about
she's gonna drink all of that and it'll be nothing for me when I stop. I feel like this deserves a selfie.
It does. It's not 107. I did take a picture, it was 107. Really? Yes.
I think this is the first time we've ever stopped under an overpass and put rain gear on. I think it's a
Alright. We're ready now.
What a good time. Yeah. Yeah. We've got a long way to get to this point.
Yes, we have.
Yeah. Straight up.
Yep. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4.
Okay, that.
All right, do one more.
Are you guys facing each other? I was going like this. Okay. That's what I was doing too, so. This way, okay. That's
Well, I thought he was